Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing both devices. Confirm the phone has mobile data and USB tethering capability, then connect it via a quality data cable. Once connected, unlock the phone and, if prompted, choose File Transfer or USB Tethering mode. This lets Windows detect the interface. Make sure airplane mode is off and data is on. If the phone asks to trust the PC, accept it. Now open Windows settings so you're ready for the network configuration step. You'll now configure Windows to use the new connection. Go to Settings, Network and Internet and look for new Ethernet or mobile adapter labeled with your phone. Once visible, click Properties to confirm IP4 is set to obtain an IP automatically. This simplifies routing. If no adapter appears, open Device Manager and scan for hardware changes to install drivers. Once Windows shows the network as connected, you can prioritize it in Advanced Network Settings if you want it to be the primary internet source. Finish by verifying internet access. Open your browser or run a quick ping to 8. If pages load, you're done. If you don't have connectivity, first toggle USB tethering off on the phone, unplug the cable, wait 5 seconds, then reconnect and re-enable tethering. This often resets drivers. Make sure Windows didn't block the adapter, and confirm your phone's APN and carrier plan allow tethering. One troubleshooting tip: update or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.